Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the ChatGPT application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chatgpt.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ChatGPT website. You can log into your account if you wish by clicking on the login button at the top right corner and proceeding with your credentials. And once you are logged in, if you wish to install the application, then you will need to install this web browser version. Click on the menu icon at the top right underneath the close button and you will find the save and share or the apps button where you can find the install this site as an app feature. Go ahead and click on this. Now you can rename your application and also edit the app icon. After making your desired changes, click on the install button and now you can choose to create a desktop shortcut and also have it pinned to your taskbar as well as start menu. After clicking on the allow button, this will also open up the ChatGPT within its own application window. And now you can also find a shortcut on your desktop to directly open ChatGPT. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the ChatGPT application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.